Good morning, guys. You ready to do a coin roundup? We're actually going to go through 14 different coins today. Most likely you're going to see your coin over here to the right. And we're going to talk about the analysis. Real quick, on the charts, you guys are going to see 4 yellow lines, most likely on each of these coins. If it's pulled up here, you may see just a couple. This is the strategy we're using. Guys, we've never lost a single trade using this strategy. We're 122 wins for 0 losses. And yes, that's amazing. But I personally think what's more amazing is how we're using the risk management here, and our account is so healthy. You guys look at your friends' accounts right now. Most people are down. We know this because we have people writing in, and we know this from structures of where people get in. It literally, looking at volume on the blockchain, most people are down around that 55 to 60% right now. I think we're down like 14% right now, or right around there. I'll show you guys how to keep your account super healthy. So let's dive into this, okay? Bitcoin, I just came out with that video. We are looking at this descending resistance. I want to talk to you guys about this on almost all of our coins this morning. Watch this. I also want to draw your attention here to the price versus the well money flow. We'll be talking about this just a few moments today, and we'll be paying attention to this. Price action in pink, well money flow in green. I want to take this off here for price, and I want to just look at the well money flow here as we go through. So Bitcoin, we're looking for this to break this descending resistance and then to target the structure high. I did a video on that. 32% is where we're looking to target for the end of this month, guys. We officially broke above the descending resistance for Ethereum. Now we're looking for a possible target up here. Well money flow is high, so we all need to be watching for this to see a breakdown to the downside to kind of fake this out, and then we're looking for the move back up. Okay, ADA over here, looking at this, we officially ended up having a very bullish sign, guys. We broke the descending resistance on ADA. I know, guys, we've been waiting on Cardano forever, guys, to get back into the profit. Cardano is probably one of the biggest losing trades for people ever in crypto. Like, I know people who actually FOMO'd in back here. And unfortunately, those of you guys who are watching this who did that, you guys are down like 70% in your account. So when I literally say 55 to 60%, that may be conservative for a lot of you guys. Because we use risk management, we're only down 46. And because we diversified, that is why we're down a lot less. Okay? Diversifying into multiple coins, guys. I have a masterclass on this and that I can show you guys at the end of this video of how to actually diversify correctly. But the bullish sign you need to see is this. We did break above the descending resistance here, and now Cardano is most likely going to look to target this area here of about 92 cents. Although trend exhaustion being very high here, well money flow being high, we are looking for this move back down to see a correction for a break and a retest. Okay, watch this carefully, guys, because when you see trend exhaustion high and well money flow is high as well, that is when you're looking for the crashes back down in the market. Just look over here when let me take it off. When trend exhaustion is high and well money flow is high together, this is where we're watching for drops back down in the market. Same thing, when it's low, well money flow low and trend exhaustion is low, that's where we're looking for the pump moves back up, which happened right there. Okay, watch this in the market. If this is low and the trend exhaustion is low, that's where the market's gonna be turning around. Guys, unshamefully gonna plug this. Our indicators are making people thousands of dollars. Literally, this guy came out, he's like thousands of dollars on a monthly basis, real fast. Thousands of dollars a month. And just this week alone, $5,000 he made. And he's been undefeated in all of his trades. Look at the other testimonials if you guys would like. Because right now, our indicators literally are 84% off. I know it's a mid-ad roll little promotion here that I'm doing. We will never have our indicators lower than this. It's in the description. Make sure you guys snag it. Enter coupon code SAVEMONEY. Best deal on indicators. Dogecoin. Dogecoin is hovering around this ascending support line right now, which you guys can see. This is where I'm looking for the target. It's going to be from here, and it's just simply going to move up to a descending resistance, which is right around 16 cents. Okay? That is where we're probably going to be looking to target next. Link over here. Link is just a little bit of a different story. Let me get this out here and let me pull this here, because I was actually just about to do a video on one of these, and I'll do the analysis here. Link needs to break the descending resistance. It has not yet broken, guys. And here's something else. Well money flow is really high and trend exhaustion is moving down here. What I'm looking for, which it may freak some people out, is actually for Link to come down here one more time, sync up a low trend exhaustion with well selling, and then to see the pump back up after that. That's what I'm thinking for Link. Now, if Bitcoin blows up here and we break this, the next target for Link is going to be 1350, right at our fourth buy limit, because that is the descending resistance that everyone's watching because we've respected it from way back over here. That's the next target we're going to be looking for Link. I'm still bullish on Link. I do have money in all these except for VET and Bitcoin, okay? Avalanche. Looking at Avalanche, let's pull this trend line all the way out right here. We have yet to break this, but this is the line that everybody's watching, guys. All the cryptos this morning. Everybody's watching this. They're like, are we going to go up or are we going to go down? Target for this one right here is going to be a 50% retracement. So structure low to structure high puts us at a 50% retracement right up here around $80. Now, $80 also correlates to the greatest structure resistance as well. So an $80 move, when we get there on AVAX, I would highly recommend you guys take some notes right now and look to exit that trade at least for 50%. Once I get up here, I will be calling that exit in the Telegram channel because I'm in there and we'll be taking our wins. Okay, let's move down to Mana here. Mana, the descending resistance line. Let's pull this out here a little bit further so we can see this. This is where we're looking at this heading back up to. So this again is having a little bit harder time than our other coins like Bitcoin or Ethereum. So you guys may actually see Bitcoin and Ethereum take off a little bit more because they're closer and they've broken out, like Cardano already has broken the descending resistance. For Mana, this is what I'm looking for. I'm seeing whale money flow super high right now and trend exhaustion high. I would not doubt if we do see another move back down on Mana, possibly to a double bottom here, and then to see the pump back up. It's either that or Bitcoin's really going to have to carry Mana. I do have money in Mana, so I'm exposed to this as well. I'm holding these positions. Now, Matic, guys, the scalping trade that told you guys it came out with here was sitting right there. You guys have yet to lose that. You literally have 3 other buy limits down here that honestly I don't think will ever get hit. Definitely not the 3rd or 4th. So it's basically an impossible trade to lose if you guys are following our scalping strategy. By the way, scalping strategy, go to the bottom, go to tradeconfident.io. I put a star next to it. I featured it. This is our scalping strategy. It has never lost a trade. Don't judge it because I hear some people right now judging it. It's impossible to go 100%. No, it's not. If you think that, you may want to be watching this because we literally have 122 wins in a row. Like anybody who has been watching our channel knows that we literally have never lost it, and it's because of the risk management, the indicators, and the metrics. Watch that video. Okay, so speaking of that, I am looking for this to see a little bit of move back up, but again, we're looking for trend exhaustion to be high here and well money flow to be high. That's where we might be seeing a move back down. But here's the thing, guys. Consolidation patterns don't last forever. I do think right now that the overall crypto market is going to be looking for a move back up here. And let me give you guys some basically well metrics real quick before we continue with the rest of these. I'm going to go over here. Everybody go over to the charts. You guys want to go over to Bitcoin. Take a look at this. I'm going to show you Bitcoin and Ethereum. Long trades are blowing up right now and short trades are decreasing. This is a prep sign for a bull run in Bitcoin. The market cap of Bitcoin is also going up while price action's going down. Bullish sign. Let me show you another bullish sign. Come over here to Ethereum. Ethereum over here for the market cap is actually going up here during the same duration while price went down. This is hundreds of millions of dollars flooding into Ethereum. There is a prep happening within the last 3 or 4 days that I think the whales are like, oh my gosh, we're about to bounce and get crazy. DOT, guys, is one of those coins that has a double bottom formation that I think could absolutely explode here. That is one of the coins where I've been watching so strongly because I'm watching this and I'm like, man, this has been a strong support we've held for a really long time. That bull market happened around this area, okay? And then this market over here bounced up like crazy. DOT, guys, is an incredible, incredible buy right now, okay? Incredible. Oh my gosh, DOT is such a good. Another one is EOS. Guys, EOS is at the lows of the lows. And you're like, well, this doesn't look that high. No, EOS, guys, the potential on this coin, which is why it's my number 1 holding, is absolutely insane. Look at the well money flow here dipping out. Honestly, guys, if you were like... Gotta be careful how I say this. I'm not a financial advisor. Please hear that. Look at the high over here. Like I'm trying to scroll this so we can actually get to the high. This is the high over here. If you guys were to do this, and literally this is not unrealistic. You guys can do this if you want. If you held up here, you're looking like 653% gain if you hold to the previous structure high on the daily time frame. Look at where you're buying down here, guys. I've bought all of my EOS right down here, and I'll show this to you guys. My EOS is my number 1 holding. It's got to go up to the top to actually see it here. Sorry, guys. Default portfolio. No, we're correct. No, I'm sorry. What the heck is going on? Sorry, activity. Let's go to orders. I just totally messed that up. There we go. Now we're back. So EOS, we're sitting at $23,000. Okay, it holds about 20% of my whole portfolio is in EOS. I think it's the number 1 unspoken just absolutely pump coin that's going to happen. Not only is it so low, like the history of this, it is so ridiculously low right now, and it has a history of absolutely just taking off here. And look, we don't need to get 600%. We're going to exit before that. But look at this, guys. Look at down here. Look at these moves. What has happened in the past year when this has been super low? These are the precursors to some massive moves back up. I'm telling you guys, get the indicators in the description. You guys will love the ability to predict this. Like, look, trend exhaustion low, well money flow low. These are the moments you want to be getting in. Okay, trend exhaustion low, well money flow low. These are the moments right here you want to be getting in. And now you guys are getting a little bit of a second chance. Yes, it hasn't moved up too far, so that's where you guys are getting a little bit, kind of like a grace period on this. Okay, I know this is taking a little bit longer, but I want to keep going through here, and we'll finish this up, and I'll show you guys how to get into a trade and indicator sales and all that. Okay, VET. Guys, I literally was going to do a VET video instead of this video, so I'm glad we got here. Look at this. Descending resistance followed by another descending resistance pattern. This thing is going to look to break to the upside. Again, VET creating incredible structure support. I told you guys, people who bought in April down here are going to be the millionaires of next year. Look, I'm not a fan of leverage at all. I've never used leverage personally. But those of you guys who are like, I'm going to gamble regardless of what Travis tells me, this is the time to be getting in. Not to gamble, not to do that, not at all, guys. Use good risk management, use our buy limits. But this is one of the best times I think you guys can get into VET right now at 4.8 cents. And this is where the bull market can take over. Guys, all of these tickers over here have a descending resistance that when this breaks, people on multiple coins are going to look to buy this thing because they're looking for the move back up here. Guys, look at our break-even entries on this. We haven't even hit our third or fourth buy limit on Solana yet. These trades are going to be getting back into profit before anything else. Sheeb, look at Sheeb over here. Look how close we are to a break-even entry. Guys, this is going to win. I'm going to call it out on Telegram, and then we're going to get into another trade. Our 123rd win is probably going to be Sheeb. 124th win, probably Luna over here because look how close we are to this entry right here. That's all we got to go and we're going to get there. This is not a difficult move, guys, and this can happen so fast. This move over here, look how long it took for this to happen. This move right here, which is an absolutely crazy pump, is just 9 days. 9 days. And we don't even need that. We need like half of that, and we're going to blast through this and get into another trade, and we're going to keep winning trades here. So that is the full overview. And then actually, let's start with it. Let's end with this. Let's look at the SPY. The SPY, this tracking the S&P 500. I had this bounce zone on here for literally like over a month. My brother actually trades options. We were looking at the spot here. Exactly where we predicted this to move back up. It like exactly moved there and then move back up. Pretty amazing. So with this, we also have a descending resistance. The entire market, the entire global market has a descending resistance, and this is a bullish pattern. Bullish pattern, breakout. Bullish pattern, breakout. Bullish pattern for a breakout. Look at every single descending resistance and you can see that it breaks to the upside, okay? Every single time. That's why I've been so strongly telling you guys, I believe this bull market is here and it is coming and you need to get money in now. Could we head down further in the market? It's always a possibility, but I'm seeing far more signs showing us that we're about to head up here than moving back down. So guys, the indicators to see what wells are doing, snag them on our membership. It's just $95 a month. All the well metrics are yours. The Telegram channel for entries and exits, just copy me. The master classes that you guys will literally join, hedge funds that I've taught this to. Look at the master classes. The community chat, live for all of you guys to join us and talk about the markets. And then on top of that, every single month, I go live with you guys on a Zoom call, which is really fun to hang out as a family. You guys get to see me, ask me questions about the market. I do a live Q&A session with everyone. And I teach you guys things about the market. That's going to be coming up as well. So make sure you guys get into a membership. And then guys, last but not least, the May sale. This is the lowest price we will ever have our indicators. Okay? We will be running this sell again in the future, but it will not be lower than this. This is the rock bottom price you guys will ever be able to get our indicators. It is right now for the month of May because it's going to be going up May 31st at 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. This price is going to go up. Okay? Enter coupon code SAVE MONEY on the bundle pack. You guys have a few days left. Time's running out. Okay? The 3 indicators you really want to get are these 3. They're 40% off. Get the bundle pack, you'll get 84, and you'll also get all 9 of our indicators. 2 Forex indicators, never been coded on TradingView. Pressure gauge, guys, please use this responsibly. This can get you into some crazy, crazy trades, but please watch the video and use confirmation of the other indicators. Our scalping strategy that has never lost and our main strategy that literally has never lost, you guys need at minimum the trend exhaustion and the price for swell money flow. And the trend dashboard is what I use. It's cheaper to get the bundle pack than to get these 3 right now, so that's why everyone's getting this. Guys, snag this. It has been an amazing thing for what traders have been able to do. You get lifetime access. It is a one-time purchase, and you get the source codes. And literally, guys did $5,000 over here, $1,000 a month, and he's been undefeated in his trades. Guys, I'm telling you, our strategy literally is 100% win rate. 485,000 yesterday, 661 this morning. Guy down over here, he does $23,000 with our 2 indicators. This guy does $6,310 with the indicators and strategy. $3,500 this week using the indicators and metrics. Guys, this is like a weekly basis thing. It's insane. You guys see how much our indicators are, and you're like, why are they so cheap? Because it's just like, we keep them cheap because we know if we have a really good product that are like, it's like weird to say this, but guys, if you have a business out there and you're selling anything out there, if you make a really, really good product that makes people thousands of dollars and you only charge them a few $100s for the product and it makes them tens of thousands and thousands, guys, they're just gonna buy it. So like, just maybe take that principle into whatever your businesses you have out there. Make a good product, discount it ridiculously, and that's how people buy it, because people are seeing the testimonials over here come in and they're making crazy money. Look at this, $4,000 plus in 24 hours just using the indicators. He's not even using our strategy. He's just using the indicators and he's doing that. So as you scroll down here, it just gets crazy. All right, guys, God bless you. Have an amazing, amazing day. I love you guys. Get the indicators on sale. Make sure you snag those in the description, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. The bull market, I think, is coming very soon, so stay hopeful. Keep your buy limits up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Links that you guys need to click are in the description. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.